All right, so this is a very good trade on Bitcoin. As you can see, Bitcoin is in a powerful uptrend, and there is nothing that is stopping Bitcoin right now as this trend continues to move up. So last week was a very great week, and then Friday came with a very huge drop as a result of the tariff message that Trump passed on, which will be taking effect from the 1st of November on China. That is why the market fell, but as you can see, that is insignificant to the weekly trend so far. The weekly trend is still in uptrend and is still moving all the way up just like that. So until this uptrend line is broken, we are still hanging on to the uptrend as it is. Now let's move on to the daily and see what has actually happened. So I called out this trade in my group last week, saying that looking from the lower time frame, when we get there, I will let you know. So this is actually what the market is currently doing. I was actually expecting that this market is already here with a break of structure. As we can see from here, there was a break of structure and then a return to form a liquidity. I was actually expecting that this market should continue, but then it took the buy side liquidity, and then there was a lot of imbalance over here, and then so a demand over here on the daily time frame, which I was expecting that if price is ever going to bounce off, the price should bounce off from the what is it called, this daily demand. So, and that is exactly what happened. So as you can see, last week Friday we came into the demand, and now we are on our way back up. Nothing is stopping Bitcoin from rising even better, even higher. So I am very bullish on the Bitcoin right now. I'm so much bullish on the Bitcoin right now, because for the weekly time frame, Bitcoin is moving higher. Then as we go to the 4 hour, that was when I call out this trade on the 4 hour. So last week, this was already in my what is it called, in my group on WhatsApp for the trade last week. As you can see it over here, I was actually expecting a fall from right here all the way downwards, but I was actually saying that if this holds over here, then we can really continue the move up. But then it didn't hold, making the daily demand zone at the bottom over there to hold. So that is how the trade went, and on my daily demand, it was a win for us in the group. So that is what actually happened, as you can see. So I was like, this load caused the break. The current 4 hour low over here was what caused the break. This one over here was what caused this break. So I was expecting the price to bounce into that and then bounce off. But on the other hand, I personally didn't like the move that the candle caused. So I was more like it's a week for the buyers, so the market is going to drop from there. So, and that is how I was so much concerned to see that if and only if this market, if and only if this demand zone over here breaks, which it did, broke over here, then we will be heading towards this demand zone, just like I said in the action, and that is exactly what happened in the week. So let's see what will happen this week. For this week, I'm currently still bullish on this on Bitcoin. I'm very much bullish on Bitcoin. But anyway, if you want to take a quick snap, a quick counter trade for Bitcoin, this is our daily demand. This is our daily demand so far, our daily supply over here, which could push the price a little bit down for a reaction over here. Then we could move back up. But if that doesn't happen, then if it breaks above this, then we are moving to see the 125 to the 130 mark price. So that is actually what I am anticipating for this month, this week. So doing. Thank you very much. Stay tuned to the channel and make sure you subscribe to the channel.